Hi friends, welcome to Port Orford Public Library. This month, February, there's a lot of exciting things going on. One thing is, it's Black History Month, so we have a lot of books both in the children's and adult sections to let you know about some very cool contributions of African American people to our country in history, and as well as things written by Black authors. So check those out. Also, February has another great designation, which is Kindness Month. And we love love and kindness. We've got Valentine's Day in the middle of the month. So our kit this month is called a kindness kit. And I'm just going to show you briefly what's included in it. When you come and pick it up, these will be available beginning February 8th and while supplies last. Be one kit per family, and they're free like everything at Port Orford Public Library. So what you're going to find in here is pipe cleaners and these little papers that you're going to use to make your very own wind vane. That'll show you which way the wind blows to love. This design was made by Larry Yes, who's an artist out of Portland, who's shared it with us so that we can all make our own love wind vane. And how you do this, you're going to need your own glue and scissors for some of these projects. You will glue these papers back to back, stick them together, and stick these two together, or any two you want to, and then you're going to put them together using the pipe cleaners to make a stem. Just putting it over the top and twisting it together. You can also use these to make any other kind of projects you'd like to. I wonder what you would come up with. I know you'll have lots of good ideas. We've also just included some fun things like different colored papers, some lovely felt, doilies, wooden hearts. How about an ornament, a little kindness or Valentine ornament that you could put stickers on or glue pom-poms to, tie a ribbon around. So many choices of cool things. We've got a kindness bingo game. See if you can do everything and get a blackout. Do all those cool things over the course of the month and practice being kind to one another. Coloring sheets. Oh look, you'll be working so hard you might need a snack. Well, you got some snacks and they're red. Dried cranberries, yum. Okay, the last thing I want to show you is our rock painting kit. Everybody will have one of these inside of your bin, and in it will be some acrylic paint. The thing we have to remember, we've used it before sometimes, is acrylic paint is permanent, which means it lasts forever. Not on your hands, it will come off when we wash our hands really well, but on our clothes it will last. Also, it will last on a rock. We want it to last on the rock, don't want it to last on our clothes. So we're going to be extra careful. Maybe wear a smock or an apron. Cover your surface while you're doing the rock painting project. You may go out and find some rocks of your own at the beach or by the river, even in your yard. You'll have one to get started with here. And I've painted a little heart on there with some primer to get your rock ready to accept that paint. And you've got some neato colors to choose from. Purple, blue, and red, all with some white mixed in. We're going to use a Q-tip for our painting tool, or if you have a brush at home, which I know a lot of you do because we've had them in other kits, you can use that. And again, you want to wash your brush really well when you're using acrylics, or it'll get hard and get stuck together and you won't be able to use it later. You can design your heart any way you like, your rock. Maybe you'll hide it for someone to find. Maybe you'll just give it to a special person or save it for a stranger to surprise them and make their day with kindness. We're also going to have a special rock hunt out in the community coming up in February. So keep an eye out around the community. If you find one of our special kindness rocks, bring it back to the library to grab a prize. I'd love to see pictures of whatever you come up with from your kindness kit. Oh, one more thing. You're going to have this little thing here. It's wrapped in saran wrap, which is something we use to wrap up food in sometimes, but this is not food. Can't eat it. Important not to eat it. It's an air dry clay, which we've used before for some projects. I thought it would be interesting to see what everybody would make with this. Maybe for Kindness Month you might make a heart. You might make little people hugging. I don't know what you'll make. Maybe you'll make little animals hugging. You can make anything you like. So if you post your pictures on Facebook to Port Orford Public Library's Facebook page, we can see what everybody has done for Kindness Month. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you at the library. Miss you a bunch. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye now.